Škoda Infotainment offers more utility and customization than ever before. Find all the features and apps you might need in an easy-to-use menu. The favorite features can be placed in the upper and lower bars for easy access at all times. You can also customize the home screen with useful widgets, showing important information at a glance. To really feel at home, you can also personalize the infotainment to your liking. For example, in Settings, you can choose a colorful background for your screen. What else makes you feel comfortable? The right climate. Choose the intensity of the airflow. Set up the temperature. Or simply choose one of the smart climate features like fresh air, warm feet, or warm hands. The Heaters button enables you to easily turn on all or selected heated features. The navigation system will help you find the best route for your journey. If you add a charging stop into your navigation, the battery will automatically prepare for optimal charging. You can also preheat the battery manually. New Škoda Infotainment. The world at your fingertips.